Hello everyone, my name is Mengjiao, and I am honored to apply for the Young Scientist Award as part of the International Environmental Scientists Award. I am currently a PhD candidate in public administration at China University of Geosciences, specializing in environmental research with a focus on land use carbon emissions, pollution reduction, and sustainable development strategies. My work integrates innovative spatial analysis and ecological evaluation to address pressing global challenges, such as climate change and sustainable urbanization. The title of my presentation is The Spatial Network Characteristics of the Coupling Coordination Degree Between Pollution and Carbon Reduction and High-Quality Development in the Yangtze River Economic Belt. In this talk, I will provide an overview of overall academic and working background, display and application of research results, paper summary and thanks. First, I will introduce the overall academic and working background. As the first author, I have published 2 papers in JCR Q1 and Q2 journals, including Ecological Informatics and Land, focusing on land use carbon emissions and sustainable development. Additionally, I have contributed as a co-author to several other high-impact publications. One of my articles has been recognized as a highly cited paper on Web of Science, where my profile reflects the global reach and influence of my work. Beyond publications, I have actively participated in key research projects, such as studying the coupling coordination between pollution and carbon reduction in the Yangtze River Economic Belt, and assessing ecological risks in regional land use. These projects exemplify my commitment to addressing critical environmental challenges. Next is the display and application of research results. I will introduce my study area, the Yangtze River Economic Belt, which serves as the focal region for my research. This area is a critical economic and ecological zone in China, making it an ideal case study for exploring the coupling coordination between pollution reduction, carbon reduction, and high-quality development. To analyze these complex relationships, I have developed a comprehensive research framework that integrates spatial network analysis, ecological evaluation, and statistical modeling. This systematic approach allows me to assess the spatial-temporal dynamics and coupling coordination degree among key factors, providing valuable insights into sustainable regional development. The main research methods are entropy weighting method 反斜杠, coupled coordination model 反斜杠, modified gravity model, and social network analysis. Based on the sorting and analysis of PCR and high-quality development of the ERAB, coupled with the inherent requirements of the new development concept, this study adhered to the principles of systematic, scientific, operable, and available data, and established an evaluation index system for PCR and high-quality development of the ERAB. Let me now take you through the details of research results. First, characteristics of the spatial and temporal evolution of the coupled coordination of PCR and high-quality development. The study showed that the UYRUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA showed an annual increase in their level of coupling coordination, with significant improvements in the overall level of coordination. However, the overall level is still relatively low, with significant room for improvement and uneven regional development. The results showed that in terms of coupled coordination, the best cities in the UYRUA and MYRUA improved from benign to high. In contrast, the worst cities changed from primary coordination to intermediate coordination. In the LYRUA, in terms of coupled coordination, the best cities improved from high coordination to high-quality coordination, and the intermediate coordination of the worst cities was also enhanced. Then, evolution of coupled and coordinated spatial network pattern. Evolution of spatial connectivity strength. During the study period, the spatial connectivity intensity of the city clusters in the UYRUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA showed a complex intertwined network structure, and intercity connections were continuously strengthened. Overall, The spatial connectivity intensity of cities in the Iraq grew significantly, and the spatial connectivity pattern was characterized by disequilibrium. Evolution of the spatial connectivity potential. There was a significant increase in the spatial correlation potential of the city clusters in the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA, while the spatial connectivity pattern was characterized by stabilization. Overall, from 2010 to 2021, the majority of cities experienced an upward trend in spatial connectivity, suggesting that the cities in the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA grew in influence and attractiveness. Evolution of the direction of spatial connectivity. The spatial connection direction of the coupling and coordination of PCR with high-quality development in the city clusters of the Iraq showed a central city orientation. Among the cities in the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA, the spatial connection of cities is manifested in the form of clusters, and it radiates from the central city to the neighboring cities. Third, evolution of the structure of coupled and coordinated spatial networks. Overall network structure characteristics. The overall network structure was comparatively stable throughout the study period. Therefore, only the spatial network for 2021 is shown figure 8. The spatial network of coupling and coordination of PCR and high-quality development in the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA is characterized by multi-connections and multi-directions. There is no island phenomenon, and the network connection has gradually strengthened. Individual network structure characteristics. There was only a small discrepancy between the point-in and point-out values of centrality in the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA. With Vira, different development trends were observed in the mean values of incloseness and outcloseness among the city clusters in the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA. From 2010 to 2021, the average value of the Iraq's betweenness centrality showed a fluctuating downward trend. The distribution of intermediary centrality among the cities in the network was uneven. Block model characteristics. The results show that the delineated city segments are mainly consistent with the spatial distributions of the URUA, MYRUA, and LYRUA. 17 cities, including Shanghai, Nanjing, Suzhou, and Waxi, belong to Plate 1, part of the downstream city cluster of the Iraq. Plate 2 consists of Hefei, Ningbo, Hanyang, and other cities, and Plate 3 consists of Wuhan, Changsha, Nanchang, and other cities in the MYRUA. Finally, I would like to summarize the key findings of my research. The coupling coordination coefficients between PCR and high-quality development in the Iraq show a consistent upward trend. The spatial network structure of the coupled and coordinated spatial network of the Iraq in terms of PCR and high-quality development is complex. The overall network characteristics of the coupled coordination of PCR and high-quality development in the Iraq have multi-connected and multi-directional structural features. In conclusion, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the International Environmental Scientists Award Committee for considering my application, and to my colleagues, mentors, and research collaborators for their invaluable support throughout my research journey. Thank you all for your attention, and I look forward to further advancing the field of environmental science.